How to fix YouTube comments not posting. Hey everybody and welcome back. In order to fix that issue in today's video, we are providing with some common fixes for that. Let's get started. So you may start by opening up YouTube and head over to the page where you're trying to post a comment. And the first thing you can do is you can refresh it. For that, you can basically swipe up like this, swipe down, and it should refresh the page. And you can head over to the particular video where you want to comment and then try commenting once again. Also, clear the cache of YouTube app. You may hold the app and go to their info. And within the info, you may scroll down, go to the storage section and tap on it. And look out for the option for clear cache. And then clear the cache. Also clear the data if necessary. And apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and check your internet. You can access your quick settings panels and look out for the Wi-Fi that you're connected. Ensure it is a strong and stable connection and try commenting once again. Apart from that, you can turn off restricted mode. You can go to your YouTube application and to your profile in the bottom right. From there, look out for the settings option at the top. And from there, look out for the general section. And then within here, ensure this restricted mode is turned off. If this option is on, you can turn it off by tapping on it and ensure that you're logged in into your Google account. Sometimes the creators may have disabled the comments, so you can check it out as well. And you need to ask the creator for comments approval, then only you will be allowed. And sometimes the creator may have blocked you. That may be the reason. So you can check it out and also see if it is a device specific issue. You can check it out as well. Usually, these are some of the solutions you can follow up that should probably fix the issue. So, we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.